comes to an end. Pero I think this is just the start of another 15 years kasama ko kayong lahat. And sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng show natin for tonight, of course, from the prod team, yan, dyan yung kuya ko, si Makoy Infante. Thank you so much, kuya. And sa mga crew natin na nandyan, of course, our director, Direk Ryan Evangelista. Direk Ryan, thank you so much for making this show successful. And thank you for sharing your time and talent to me tonight po. And syempre to our sponsors tonight and our co-presenter, of course, Casino Plus, thank you so much. Thank you to GAOC, to Aqua Boracay, to Bench, to CTO Homestyle Corned Beef, to Bello, White Flower, The Hungry Pita, and Honda Philippines. Maraming salamat po. Our official media partner, of course, GMA. And maraming salamat po to Mr. Felipe Gozon, Mr. Jimmy Duavit, to Mr. Felipe Asialo, of course to Ms. Annette Grozon Valdez, to Ms. Joy Marcelo. Kung andyan pa po si Ms. Joy, thank you so much for being here. And gusto ko rin po magpasalamat sa mga nag-host ng show natin tonight. Siyempre si Betong and Shaira. And of course to our special guest na talaga naman nag-hype sa ating lahat, which is Cup of Joe. And of course to my family who's here, to my lola, to my cousin at April, to my sisters, Riza and Angel, to my dad. Maraming salamat, Dad, for sharing the stage with me. And of course, sa mama ko, maraming salamat. And syempre, para lang safe, ayoko pong kalimutan itong mga importanteng tao to, kaya kumuha po ako ng podium. And to the Mayor's Office, syempre, headed by the one and only ang love na goes beyond anything po. Your family to me, Ma'am, and of course, the whole Arcillas family, Mami, oh. Love you. And then nakita ko kanina si Kuya Arnold. Diyan pa ba si Kuya Ate Ellie? Maraming salamat. Of course, dyan din ang ate ko, si Ate Len Alonte. Maraming salamat for supporting this show. And of course, to Kuya Jel Alonte as well. Maraming salamat. Attorney Ralph, Boss, Attorney Ralph Kalinisan, maraming salamat. Thank you so much po, Department Head of City of Santa Rosa, Laguna. Thank you to the PNP, City Security Unit, to Santa Rosa City Sports Development Office, City Information Technology Office, sa ating Public Order and Safety Officers, sa ating mga poso, maraming salamat. To the rescue team. At marami na pong nakakaalam dito sa Santa Rosa. Pero the reason why I'm here and the reason wala pong Alden Richards kung wala pong Carlites de Guzman. Siya po yung unang naniwala, siya po yung unang nakakita ng potential sa akin. And hanggang ngayon, nandyan pa rin po siya at hindi po ako iniiwan. So ba si Madam Carlites dyan? Love na love ko yan. Maraming salamat. And of course, gusto ko rin po magpasalamat to you're the reason why I keep on doing this. I found purpose to carry on and push for more. Kaya kayo ang inspirasyon ko sa bawat trabahong ginagawa ko and para mas makatulong sa mas marami pang kabataan. Hanggang may AR Foundation po, tuloy lang din po ako. And of course, this will not be possible, of course, without my myriad team. To Ms. Mona, MCM, thank you for everything, making this project possible. To Sir Vince Mariano, sir, nasan ka man, sir? Love you, sir. Thank you so much po. Gusto ko lang din po magpasalamat dito sa dalawang special na taong to kasi sila po talaga yung umaalalay sa akin in times of hardships, in times of yung pag hindi ko na alam yung gagawin ko, they're always there. Walang judgment. Inaalalayan, hinahawakan yung kamay ko all throughout. Kay Kuya Sam, thank you. Kay Mama Ten, hindi po madali yung mundo na pinasok ko. There are a lot of trials, a lot of difficulties, a lot of victories as well. It's a matter of how you see it. But these people that I mentioned, sila po yung parte ko. Sila po yung parte ng pagkatao ko. every portion of my being boils down to all of these people that I've mentioned. Na sila yung umalalay sa akin at naniwala sa akin. But most especially, gusto ko rin pong bigyan ng highlight at pasasalamat ang aking A-team. I never knew that I was able to touch your lives in such... That's why I'm very grateful to you guys. Maraming salamat. You guys keep me going. At sa mga kababayan ko po dito sa Santa Rosa, maraming salamat. At sinisigurado ko sa inyo, this will not be the last show na gagawin ko dito because you just showed to me na talagang there's nothing wrong. And there's always something about looking back at pagbabalik sa pinanggalingan ng mga kagaya mo. So, yun po, to everyone that I've mentioned, thank you so much. But more than anything, I think it's the Lord that I should thank. Lord, maraming salamat po. Pag alam niyo yung kanta, pwede niyo akong sabayan. Because this song is for all of you guys. Pakiramdam ko parang simula pa rin siya. Ang daming yung binigay sa akin na inspirasyon para magpatuloy. Yung minsan mga araw na ayoko na. Yung minsan parang nothing, parang wala na ako. Parang hindi na importante yung existence ko. Kayo yung nagbabalik sa akin. Binabalik niyo yung self-worth ko just by seeing you guys here tonight and seeing your support. You give me a reason to fight and to be a better person. Kaya maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.